Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change currency on OKX Wallet app. To do this, firstly you'll have to go to your OKX app. Once you open your app, you'll be at the home page. Now from here, at the top left corner, you can see the 9 dots icon. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you can see an arrow-like icon right beside your email at the top. You can tap on that arrow. Once you tap here, right below your email, you can see you're given a few options like profile, security, preferences, and notification. To change your currency, you'll have to tap on preferences, which is right between security and notifications. Once you tap on preferences, on the second, you can see the currency option. Tap on that. Now, you're given various options of different currencies you may choose from. You may tap on one of them to choose them. Once you tap on one of them, you'll be taken back to your preferences page. Now, to check if you've changed your currency or not, you can again look at the currency option under preferences. Here, beside currency, you can see that you've changed your currency to your preferred one. In my case, I changed mine to USD. So, this is how you can easily change currency on OKX Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.